Hello there. Today we'll continue this chapter from the previous video. We know what is maxillary right quadrant and maxillary left quadrant, mandibular left quadrant and mandibular right quadrant. We have studied these. Okay. So in each quadrant, if you see, actually there are central incisor, lateral incisor, canines, first premolar, second premolar and three molars are there. So if we complete it in a set, you will see that two incisors, one canine, two premolars and three molars are there. It will give a dental formula is 2123 upon 2123. See, I'm writing it, this one upper part, upper is the actually maxillary and this one is the mandibular half, maxillary half and mandibular half. So you need to multiply by 2 and here also multiply it by 2 and then you will get 16 teeth in each arch. So overall there are 32 teeth, right? Okay then. So this is the dental formula you should remember. You can simply remember 2123, keeping in mind that it tells only about one quadrant of maxilla and mandible. So you need to multiply it by 2 and then you will get 32 teeth in each arch. Okay, so here you can see 16 on each arch. You now you are clear. Okay, then see, next terminology is anterior. Anterior is what pertaining to or towards the front plane of the body. Okay, anterior term, what it explains, it explains the anterior part which is towards the front. Towards the front, we can say simply anterior means towards the front, right? Then in case of teeth, what are the front teeth? Incisors and canine. Okay, see, incisors, central, lateral and canine. Okay, these are, and these three also. So these are the anterior teeth. See here, these are the anterior teeth which is mostly seen when you smile. Okay then, posterior, what are posterior? What does it mean, posterior word? Posterior means towards the back plane of the body, towards the back. See, so what are posterior teeth? Rest teeth are posterior teeth. Superior, superior means situated above another or towards the head. Okay, situated something, if we relate, it is a relative term. If you relate to, then it is something situated above is superior. Okay, and what about inferior? Inferior means situated beneath another or towards the pit. Clear? Okay. Human dentition. Human dentition, you will see diphyodont, polyphyodont, homodont and heterodont. These are the terms, but not in humans. Humans have diphyodont type of dentition, means it has two set of teeth. First set is the primary teeth and the second set is the permanent teeth. Okay, so this term is self-explanatory, diphyodont. Okay, di means two. Next is the polyphyodont kind of dentition. It tells that the changing of teeth occurs for the whole life. Means changing of teeth occurs for the whole life, means many set of teeth are there, many set. Okay, it is in crocodile, and they are also homodont. Means homodont means all teeth are alike, all teeth are alike, they all teeth are same in crocodile. And one more kind word is heterodont. Heterodont, hetero means different, Don't means teeth. Homo means same. Don't means teeth. Homo don't alike teeth. Heterodont, see, different kind of teeth, different types of teeth. Actually, it occurs in humans. Incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. Okay, so these are the terms which you will face. See, this guy is smiling. Just tell me in comment section why it is smiling. Next is human dentition. You will see the first set or the primary set, also call it deciduous dentition. Okay, it has 20 teeth, and the second set is the permanent or succedaneous dentition. It has 32 teeth. Why we call it succedaneous and deciduous? See, succedaneous means actually these teeth are succeeding the first set. Means after first set, second, the permanent set or the second set appears, so we are calling it succedaneous. And deciduous, first set, the primary set, is also called as milk teeth, which fall off. Okay, so these are the set of teeth in humans. See, the deciduous dentition remains intact, like bearing loss from the dental caries or trauma until the child is about 6 years. Okay, so deciduous dentition period is from 6 months to 6 years, we call it. Okay, see, children's primary teeth, you can see central incisor, lateral incisor, canine, and first molar and second molar. Premolars are absent in deciduous dentition. What does it mean? How can we write the dental formula in case of deciduous dentition? It will be 2, 1, 0 and 2. You must know 2, 1, 0, 2 will be here also. Why I'm writing it as 0? See, incisor, canine, premolar and molar. Okay, so in case of primary dentition, premolars are absent. In case of primary dentition, premolars are absent, so it is 0. Okay, then you multiply it by 2 as we did in permanent. It will be like 10 upon 10 in each arch. So overall there are 20 deciduous teeth. Clear? Okay. Next is the primary dentition. Actually here it is in complete. Primary dentition is what? First set to appear in the oral cavity. Primary dentition, the teeth first set which appears in oral cavity. The term deciduous implies that they shed or fall off naturally, similar to the leaves of the deciduous forest tree. Okay, deciduous forest tree, leaf fall off periodically in each year. So from there the word deciduous is derived and we call it primary dentition. Okay, and also called as milk teeth or baby teeth. Deciduous dentition or the primary set is also called as milk teeth, baby teeth or temporary teeth. So these are the terms which we use for primary dentition, and I think you are clear with this. Next is the succedaneous teeth. Succedaneous teeth are what? Succedaneous teeth. Succedaneous simply means succeeding the deciduous teeth. Okay, so there are 20 deciduous teeth to be replaced, right? 20 deciduous teeth, since you know that the primary dentition have only 20 teeth, so 20 teeth to be replaced, right? So there will be only 20 succedaneous teeth. What about the others? You can think of that. What about other teeth, right? You know that 32 teeth are there in the permanent dentition. So what will be the 12? What are the 12 teeth? Which teeth are non-succedaneous? See, the respected incisors and canines will replace their respective part of the incisors and canines of deciduous dentition, and premolars will also, premolars are present only in permanent dentition, so they will also replace few teeth. What are these teeth? Which teeth will be replaced by the premolars? You can think of the deciduous dentition formula 2102, and permanent dentition formula I have told you 2123, right? So two premolars will replace the two deciduous molars. Clear? So the rest molars in permanent dentition are considered as non-succedaneous, and this is how it happens. I guess it is clear, not that much complex to understand. Okay. Next is the permanent dentition. Permanent dentition, if you see the time period, if we talk about, then the first teeth to permanent teeth to emerge in the oral cavity is around 6 to 7 year of age, and it completes, the permanent dentition period completes around 18 to 25 years of the age. Okay, the emergence of the permanent teeth, the first permanent teeth emerge in oral cavity around 6 to 7 years, I have told you. Then the emergence of the permanent teeth begins the transition or mixed dentition period. There is another term, transition or mixed dentition period. See, 6 months to 6 years is the deciduous period. Beyond that, till 12 years of age is the transition period. Okay, and after that, all the deciduous teeth have been said off, so then the permanent dentition period starts. Clear? Okay, next is the classes of teeth. Humans have heterodont kind of dentition, I have told you, and depending on form and function, there are 4 classes of teeth: incisors, canines, premolars, and molars. I'm telling you again that premolars are present in permanent dentition only. Okay, so this is the classes of teeth. Next is the etymology of names of teeth. See, etymology means origin of the names, origin of the words of teeth. Incisors comes from insider, which means to cut into, and its function is incising or cutting, right? According to its function. Canines came from canis. Canis, actually dogs have the pointed teeth. Clear? And it means dogs or hounds, you will see the sharp cutting edge, and they used to kill the prey. So canines have the sharp cutting edge. Premolars, pre means before, and molars, obviously molars. So pre means before the molars, the teeth which are before the molars and help molars in grinding, they are called as premolars. What are molars? Molars come from molaris word, means milestone, and function as grinding due to wide occlusal surface. Say occlusal surface, new term is there, occlusion. You will see the incisal surface, incisal edge and the occlusal surface. Occlusal surface in premolars and molars, the upper surface, you will see the upper surface is broader. In case of incisors, you will see there is a line, there is a ridge like of kind of thing called as incisors, incisal edge. And in case of premolars and molars, you will see a surface, so we call it as occlusal surface. See, anterior teeth have incisal edge and posterior teeth have occlusal surface. Clear? Next we'll talk about the type of teeth. So guys, thanks for watching, and please do subscribe to the channel and press the bell icon for the next video. And if you find it useful, please like and share to the video. And if you have any query or any suggestion to the content of the video, please comment in the comment section, and you can DM me at Rathor Goddess. Thank you. Thanks for watching.